Have you ever wondered if there's a secret button inside your body to slow down aging? A way to hit refresh on your cells? Well, what if I told you there might be? And the key to it isn't some expensive miracle cream or a futuristic pill. It's something you can start doing today for free. We're talking about autophagy, and it might just be the closest thing we have to a cellular fountain of youth. So what on earth is autophagy? The word literally means self-eating, which sounds a little scary, but it's actually incredible. Think of it as your body's ultimate Marie Kondo. Your cells are constantly accumulating junk, old damaged proteins, worn-out organelles, and other cellular clutter. Autophagy is the process where your cells gather up all this garbage, break it down, and recycle it into fresh new building blocks. It's the ultimate deep cleaning and recycling system that keeps your cells running smoothly and efficiently. Here's where the aging part comes in. As we get older, this brilliant cleanup crew, autophagy, starts to slow down. It gets a little lazy. The junk starts to pile up and cellular function declines. This isn't just about wrinkles. This cellular clutter is linked to a higher risk of many age-related diseases, like heart problems, metabolic issues, and even neurodegenerative conditions. Essentially, an aging body is a cluttered body on a microscopic level. So how do we give our internal cleaning crew a kickstart? This is where fasting enters the chat. When you go without food for a period of time, typically around 12 to 16 hours or more, your body flips a metabolic switch. It runs out of easy-to-use glucose from your last meal and starts looking for other energy sources. And one of its favorite go-tos? The cellular junk we just talked about. Fasting is one of the most powerful natural ways to trigger autophagy. It's like telling your cells, all right, team, no food coming in. Time to clean house and recycle what we've already got. Now you might be thinking, this sounds cool, but is there any science to back it up? Absolutely. Animal studies are incredibly compelling. Mice that are put on fasting regimens show significantly boosted autophagy, have better metabolic health, and even live longer, healthier lives. The research in humans is still growing, but it's very promising, showing benefits in metabolic markers and cellular repair. People are adopting intermittent fasting methods like the popular 16-8, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, or the 5.2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and significantly reduce calories for 2. These are practical ways to get the benefits of autophagy on a regular basis. And the benefits aren't just physical. Think about your brain. Your brain is incredibly active and produces a lot of metabolic waste. Autophagy plays a crucial role in clearing this debris. Some scientists believe that by enhancing autophagy through fasting, we might help protect our brains from the buildup of toxic proteins linked to diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Many people who fast regularly report a feeling of enhanced mental clarity and focus. That brain fog lifting? That could be autophagy at work. Want to double down on the benefits? Add some exercise to your routine. Physical activity, especially things like high-intensity interval training or strength training, also stimulates autophagy, particularly in your muscle cells. They need to repair and rebuild after a good workout, and autophagy is key to that process. Combining regular exercise with intermittent fasting could be a powerful 1-2 punch for cellular health. Now, a quick but important reality check. Fasting is not for everyone. If you are pregnant, underweight, have a history of eating disorders, or have certain medical conditions like diabetes, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before making any big changes to your eating schedule. This isn't a competition to see who can fast the longest. It's about finding a sustainable and safe approach that works for your body. This is about health, not extremes. And let's be clear, autophagy is not a time machine. Fasting won't literally stop you from aging. You'll still have birthdays. But what it can do is help you age more gracefully. It's not about living forever, it's about living better for longer. By keeping your cells clean, efficient, and resilient, you're giving your body the best possible tools to combat the wear and tear of time. So the big takeaway: your body has an amazing built-in renewal system called autophagy, and simple ancient practices like fasting are a powerful way to give it a gentle nudge, helping your cells clean up, repair, and stay youthful from the inside out. It's not a magic bullet, but it's a powerful tool for a healthier journey through time.